Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to change your location on Proton VPN. Start by opening the Proton VPN app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll see the main interface with a map and a list of available server locations. If you are using the free version of Proton VPN, you'll notice that you can only connect to specific countries, and some locations are not accessible unless you upgrade to a paid plan. To change your current location, find the country you are connected to. This is usually displayed at the top of the app. Tap on it and then tap the Change Server option. Proton VPN will show you a list of available servers in the region or switch you to another server in the same country. If you are using a paid plan, you'll have the option to select a specific server or even connect to servers in other countries. For example, if you want to connect to a server in the United States, tap the United States from the list. The app will begin connecting you to a server in that region. Keep in mind that this process might take a few moments. If you are on the free plan and want to try connecting to another country, you can repeatedly tap Change Server until you find a server in your desired location, though this might not always be efficient. If you need access to specific countries or faster connections, consider upgrading to one of Proton VPN's premium plans. Paid plans allow you to select from a wider range of locations and include features like high-speed servers, streaming access, and secure core options. You can explore these plans directly within the app or through Proton VPN's website. That's it. That's how you can solve how to change your location on Proton VPN problem. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to try Proton VPN at a discount.